Hello, hello. Guess who it is? I guess you probably already know. So, I don't know if you saw the other video, but if you didn't, I will post a link of me breaking my chainsaw. Okay, now we are officially done for the day cutting firewood. I'm sure that's some kind of safety feature. I guess I was better getting caught up like that than rather in the little Johnny cat. That would be horrible. Chain popped off. I attempted to put it back, but it doesn't fit right. There's parts that are stuck, and it bent a couple parts of the chain. So note to everybody, you cannot just reuse the chain. I am going to sharpen it. I got the sharpening kit for the blades. This way I don't have to keep buying them when they're dull. This is something I'm going to have to learn how to do. I'm sure there's instructions. Oh, look at that, instructions. And I got 2 extra chains. So I will have a total of 3 chains in case I'm out there working, one breaks or something happens to one. I don't have to just call it quits for the day. That's what happened last time. It's kind of a bummer. But, once you get working, it's good to keep working. So I'm going to change this real quick. And I'm going to show everybody how to do it. So stand right here out of the light. So the first thing you do is take this off, which, yeah. Oh, it's so hard without a tripod. They say work smarter, not harder. Well, by me not getting a tripod and trying to do this with one hand, it's probably going against that. I think this comes off now. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to probably not do anything to that. I should probably clean it. Maybe I will clean it and grease it. But I don't know. Maybe I won't do that now because I got to look up what kind of grease and everything. Bad place for tools. Alright. I'm going to figure out what to do here because I don't really know. But I'm pretty good at this stuff, so I'll be right back. So, woo, echo, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, this is very easy. I kind of knew this already, but you just push the bar in. I think it's called the bar. And see how those are kind of jammed in there. All right. So anyway, that slid in. This chainsaw is going to fall, and then this will just be able to come right out. And I will take it off and put the camera down. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I did that. Just in the mood of bright colors and pleasantries. So I took the chain off. Yeah, the bar just comes off easily. I spray painted it. We put the new chain on. All it is you just, loop it around there, run it around, and then you just pull this tight. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I put the chain on, and I'm actually just holding this tight right now. I'm going to put that piece back on, and there's an adjuster right there where I could tighten it. So that hole, that little pin right there that sticks up, goes into either the top or the bottom hole. It only fits in one place. Okay. Okay, so I'm holding the chain taut. I'm pulling out going away from the chainsaw, because the rail, see how the chain actually just slips out of there? This area I can't really see once I put the plastic back on. Now I'm going to have to adjust it. There's a screw right below this nut. There's a little tensioner that's below those two nuts. Actually, let me just tighten it. So I'm going to screw that in and it'll pull the bar out and tighten it. Okay, so I use this adjuster right here to tighten or loosen the tension on the bar. So when you turn this, there's a screw in here that puts tension on the bar and pushes it out. And what you want to do is make sure that you could freely spin. So that's a little too loose, I think. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm going to tighten it there. Tighten the nuts. I forgot. Alright, so I'm going to tighten that, and then I'm going to run chainsaw for a couple minutes, and then adjust it again. Fill up the gas, fill up the bar chain oil, choke out, pump, 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 pump to prime, and start. Alright, I gotta oil it up a little bit with some extra oil to break it in. And then I'm gonna test it and tighten it again. Oh, that's better. Okay, so after a couple runs, probably about a minute each of giving it some gas and letting it set, and retightening it and adjusting it and retightening it, it seems like the chain is replaced. Now I get to get back to work. It only took a couple minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes. Probably would be quicker if you didn't have the video. But so there's a quick how to change your Husqvarna 455 Rancher chainsaw blade chain. Chainsaw chain. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Please like, subscribe, and all that. Echo! Woo! See ya. So, not sure if you saw the, I don't know if it's out, but the video about me changing the chainsaw blade. So, a little update on that. I got the chainsaw working, and I went up there to cut those branches. I'm clearing up just all the garbage on the side of the road. And there's a little thing that I forgot to tell everybody, and I forgot to actually check, is that the chainsaw blade actually goes on only one way. It's directional. You would think it would be common sense, but I guess in the drama of getting distracted by filming videos, I put the chainsaw blade on backwards. So I have to flip it right now, and I'm going to get back to work. So I will see you all later. Live and learn. Talk to you later. Bye.